Hello guys, today we got a imaginext playset. So these are the figurines, and this is the set. I will show you all this is at the box. See guys, this is a playset I got today on Amazon. What does it look like? This is the figures. Well, Batman looks a little strange. I'll go and fix him. Let's check out the figures first, and then we can check out the playset. Alright guys, let's do it. I got Batman first, so that's why. I'm going to fix Batman. See, this looks a little off. I'm going to take this off and glue it back on. Because the way he still looks cool. I'd rather use my old Batman. I might not break this. I might fix them first. This is my new Joker with the purple suit. This is Killer Croc, with purple pants, red pants. Ooh, he looks kind of cool. And Harley Quinn. Oh! And my new Penguin. Wow, guys. Oh yeah. Maybe. And this is the. Let's check out the stuff now. This is the handcuff. This is Batman's motorcycle. Oops. And these two we can use for like weapons. Now let's check out the playset. This is this is the Joker side of the playset. And the cool about it, you flip this right here, the fire comes out. Shh. Oh, let me get my boy Joker. Me. It's the Joker. What's the fire? Yep. You can tell. The fire comes out, and this is for like Batman's. Batman's motorcycle goes there. Oh no. Yep. This is Batman's area. The Penguin. You flip this right here. It goes. There we go. Oh yeah, the garage. Let me show you the inside now. The inside. The inside. We have Killer Croc is just chilling right there by the door. Batman's motorcycle, and we have Batman just chilling right there, watching sure the Penguin can't escape. I can't escape. The Penguin can't escape. Oh no, we got Mr. Freeze. Well, this is not new. This is old. Catwoman, Man-Bat. I got some my old toys as well in here. And this is like Batman's area. This is the Joker's area. We got Harley Quinn up there. We got Two-Face. We got the Joker. No one's right over here, so hey, give me a vote, Batman. No, man. Yeah. All right, guys. Let me show you the vault opening. Give me the Joker. Come on. Alright, see the vault is opening. No, the money. See, okay. Let me give the Joker, me, the money real quick. Go. See, I'm holding the money. Let me show you my old Joker and my old Batmans, okay? And also my first Penguin. Batman first. This is my new Batman. This is my old Batmans. Look. Boom. I'll use this, but I might be careful. I won't break his head off. I might keep using this Batman, that Batman, maybe one of these Batmans over here. But this is my favorite, and this is my favorite. And this too. This is my my old Penguin, because you can probably tell the paint coming off. This is my new one. The Joker. Oh, this is my old Joker. You can tell it's my old one. This is my new one. I like the paint too. So I can't show you everything about this. I could try my best. I get a phone holder. Alright guys, let me make a little video about, you know, the fighting or whatever. So, I know this is not the best toy review, but, oh yeah, I can show this. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe I'll let you guys know I have a phone holder, so yeah. Here, I put the villains over here. And the heroes over here. This is my old Batman we just saw, or on Two-Face Fun Time. Whoa, what my cousin gave to me. My new Batman, I'm going to fix him. After I fix him, I can play with him. So, yep. And yeah, the heroes. I need to get a new Robin, too. So, yep. The motorcycle looks cool. The Joker's holding. This is. Well, I hope you love this video, guys. Subscribe if you're new. Subscribe if you're new. Oh, I forgot something. The Bat logo and the penguin right there. And this. Now I can say it. If you're new, subscribe, thumbs up, and comment below what you want to see next. I hope you love this video, guys.